Welcome to What the Fuck is in the Box, the show where we take, how many minutes, Mike? How many minutes are we going to take today?
4 minutes.
7 minutes to show you exactly what comes in the box. I want to see who's closer. You said 4, I said 7.
Okay.
I'm not going to stall either.
It sounds like you're stalling.
Any more than this exact moment, I'm not going to stall.
Are you going to be honest this time?
No.
Or not honest?
What did you bring? What did you bring with you, Mike?
I brought the new Metra Axxess piece, AX-DSP-X.
Digital sound or digital signal processor?
Digital, I don't remember.
You got to guess one.
Digital sound processor.
I'm sorry, Mike.
Oh.
Digital signal.
Digital signal.
Mm-hmm. So what does this do, Mike?
This allows you to integrate on a lot of the newer vehicles into the source unit, so you can add amplifiers and different speakers if you want.
Layman terms, right? You can upgrade your factory system, right? You can still use it. You get a lot more flexibility with how you can adjust and tune a factory system using this. So it's really kind of a cool thing. You can retain your factory radio and upgrade the quality of the system. I think that's kind of like their main promotion point on it.
100%. And there's a lot of options out there. Axxess, it's a premier vendor for us, but they make it very simple and have a lot of different harnesses, so you don't have to cut into your factory harness. So if you ever want to return it back to stock, you definitely need a piece like this.
Do you want to know how I was so tuned in on my pitch?
How's that?
I read the box. Right there on the box. Upgrade your quad. See?
That's why you're the best.
Just clever, Mike. Box is very good. If you go to the back side on this box, you'll see a long list of bullet points that Mike has memorized. But he's not gonna try to impress you and show off today and show you how much he knows. But he knows all of those by heart. He told me earlier. But it shows you everything that comes in the box. But we're gonna show you too. And then it does go over everything you can do with this thing. It is a 31 band EQ, which is incredible. That's every channel, right? So gives you full equalizer capabilities. Again, retail box, you can hang it. It does have a tag. Very nice looking box. But let's get into the box. Oh, more tape today. But wait, where is it? Oh, yes.
This is the upgraded version.
Prepared,
new
Mike.
version. So they had an AX-DSP, and this is replacing it with a couple extra features.
How were you not impressed that I had a knife ready?
In my dreams, I'm beautiful and bad.
Is that legal? That's pretty slick. Where'd you get that?
Borrowed it. I don't have knives. I'm not a dangerous person. Oh.
Wire.
Boy. This is a lot of stuff, Mike.
That's a lot of stuff.
Are you feeling nervous?
All right, I did my homework.
All right.
Which I never did in school. So this is a bass knob for it, so you can hook it in there. So a lot of people will be adding on aftermarket amplifiers, speakers. One of the most popular ones is adding on a sub for extra sound. This allows you to adjust it between songs, so you can add more bass or less bass in it.
Okay, what do you got here?
This is your harness. So one of the neat things about it has 6 channels of input, and you can do high level or low level. So this allows you to do either one, and it plugs into the brain.
This guy?
And this would be the wiring going out. So it has 10 channels going out. And like Drew said, 31 band EQ, which is really good. It also allows for time alignment up to 10 milliseconds per channel. So that allows you to fine tune the system so it sounds 100 times better than a factory system. It always drives me nuts, Drew. People are like, oh, my stock speakers are good enough. It sounds good. No, it don't.
Man.
No, it don't. Go to your independent retailer and listen to one of their cars, and you'll be blown away.
Yep.
And it's because they use devices like this.
Absolutely. And this is?
So this is where all the magic happens. And the biggest thing about it, look at that. Can you imagine that?
Yeah. That's magic.
So what's nice about this is how small it is. So if you were going to hide this behind your behind the dashboard or somewhere, it's very small, makes it very easy to install. And as you can see, all the wiring looks very factory done on it, which is very nice.
Yeah. Are you losing weight? Your shirt looks a little loose, Mike.
Yeah, I am. I lost about 150 pounds. Just between the last episodes. So. Now this is a new look I'm going for. I used to wear it when I was like in 8th grade, the baggy clothes like that. So
I did too.
I'm trying to bring it back.
Did you ever do backwards pants?
No, but I tight roll.
You tight roll? What's that?
It's where you take your bottom of the jeans and you fold it over, and then you'd have matching socks, on the top.
I figured you just meant Tootsie Roll and you said it wrong.
Yeah, it looks really horrible. Like the things you do when you're young and you think it's cool. Yeah.
I had dyed hair.
You have dyed hair? What color?
And more hair. Blonde. It's
Really?
a fact.
Nice.
That's a thing. That's a thing. That
Okay.
happened. Yep. All right. Recap. What do you got, Mike? We got the magic, as you called
We
it.
got the magic box that makes everything happen. Biggest things that's nice and small. Bass knob, so if you got screaming kids in the back or a annoying girlfriend, you can just turn up the bass and tune that out.
Did you say or an annoying girlfriend?
No, I didn't say that. I didn't say that.
I can't.
No, my girlfriend's awesome. I promise.
Continue.
Okay, and then the two harnesses. Okay, the two harnesses, one for the input, one for the output.
Uh-huh. And then the box, right? The retail packaging.
I like this green.
So
I didn't
here's-
think I like a green that much. I don't think a lot of
It's
people
nice
use a
green.
green, but if this
Wait,
was
wait,
standing
wait,
out,
what are you trying to say?
yeah, but that's like a normal green, like the woods green. This is bright green.
Something really cool they do offer as an additional add-on. There are plug-and-play harness capabilities for this as well, and they do offer a plug-and-play harness for it that makes the installation obviously substantially easier, so you're not splicing wires. The good news is, whoever does comments in here with their dealer number and dealer name, we're going to give both these away, the plug-and-play as well as the DSP, because the guys at Metro are awesome, and Axxess and Metro and everybody has been great for us, and we appreciate everything they do. So this is going in. This is the plug-and-play for the Chrysler.
Chrysler does 2018 Jeep JL, does
All the way
Pacifica. I wrote it down.
2013.
You think I know
that?
that off the top of my head? I don't. But it's online. Jeep Grand Cherokee. No, Cherokee.
Any Chrysler 2013 and up is what it has listed on here. I'm going to trust them.
The big thing is, this is just one of them. They make
Yep.
so many different one of these that fit so many different vehicles, and that's what makes it a convenient package because it's completely factory looking once it's set up. So that's why I like them.
We look forward to the comments and the likes, and we hope they all get in there. Mike, any parting words for the people out there in YouTube land?
I think Drew wants you to subscribe. I like it.
I do. Those are the best words ever.
Is there an ultra like button?
Just keep hitting like. Well, no, because then you'll unlike. Just like one time, please. Just one time.
Yeah.
Like, subscribe, comment.
And
Thank
please,
you,
And
guys.
please, no jokes. All right, we don't want to see any jokes. in
I
the
was disappointed.
comments,
Last
all
time
that.
there was not a single joke we said that.
Yeah, don't put a joke.
Yeah,
I
don't put a joke.
It kind of hurt my feelings.
Reverse psychology.
To not be honest with you, it kind of hurt my feelings.
That was slick. I see what you did there. See you guys next
Bye.
time.